Nice. And we're live.
Yep. We got Bundesliga 22-23 box. Comes with 20 packs. 4 cards a pack.
Bunda what? Yeah. Welcome. Okay, long time. How you doing?
Yeah. All right.
So it's not Pokemon. We're opening sports cards. Apparently, soccer's the thing. It's been the thing. I've been out of the loop. Sorry.
Okay.
Opening cards, very important. Look at
Look at that.
Bunda. What?
Bunda. Okay, I don't want to call that.
Liga.
Boom. All right. Bundesliga box 22-23. Hope we get Bellingham and guaranteed autograph per box.
Okay.
So yeah. What the?
Dude,
I got it.
can you?
Oh
Are you?
wow! Look at that. Sorry. got the teams right. Okay. You got the teams. Got the teams on the sides, and got a bunch of packs. Middle. So.
I can't find the words. I'm choked. So, are you gonna open them all now, or? Oh.
Maybe. Look at all that. 20. There's no way that's only 20.
How are they? Wow.
It's on cardboard.
It's on cardboard. I was like, it's magic. How is that staying together? Are they connected?
Got like. So, oh my god.
Man,
Stack them all together.
just stack them.
That's.
Okay, you gotta show them the stack.
Hope we get. Alright. So the stack, we got the stack of cards.
You could sell them. We could open a shop. And we could start with this box. It's a new shop, you know?
Yeah. Honestly, maybe. Because this one guy they're doing pretty good.
I know.
When I was in the store, the guy spent like $1,000 on a couple boxes.
Get out.
I'm not even joking. And they were all in 20s. He got like a huge stack like that big of just 20s.
Wow.
Alright, it's crazy. Alright, anyways.
So what'd we spend? What'd you spend?
I almost spent like 70. It was on sale. I didn't see the price. Never mind. Price is not there. It was going for like 90. And then it was on sale for 80. And then it was on sale again for 70.
I wonder why.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. First pack. Let's go.
Let's go.
I don't know what to see this. Alright. First card. Whoa. Nicholas Dorsch.
Oh
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that helps.
Marcus Rios. Yeah, that's it. Dude, he's a good player. Plays for LA Galaxy now.
Huh.
Felix Agu. And the last card. Takuma Asanu.
Uh-huh. Alright.
Alright, so we got a hit. I think every pack is one hit.
That guy,
Marcus.
yeah. Marco Roos.
Marco Rus.
See if we can-
It's a nice card. Sleeve it.
The lighting. It's always something.
Alright, I already opened it. Number 2.
That's getting not good.
Fabio. Something.
I could change the lighting. Should we pause and?
No, it's okay.
Alright. Oh.
Ooh, Danny Olmo. Flash genius. Danny Olmo's genius. That's a... Wow, when he played for RB Leipzig. He plays for Barcelona now. Pretty
Genius?
Good. Yeah. That's what it says.
Like,
Flash genius.
huh.
Alright.
I wouldn't think. Anyway.
Ruben Vargas. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No way. Vardiol. Wow.
No way.
He's a good player. He plays for Man City. Oh, no, he's not saying that.
Hmm.
He plays for Man City now.
Snap.
Alright.
He's going for it. He
So
says...
the hit is at the second card in the pack. So let's do Mario Götze. Ko Itakura. Nelson Weeper. Okay. And the hit. Whoa. Bright future rookie Derry Charant. Never heard of him. I don't think his future is pretty bright. But probably better than my future.
Oh, no.
I'm joking.
Oh.
I'm joking. Well, he's playing in the Bundesliga.
Oh.
So, pretty good future.
Bundesliga.
The league.
Oh.
Alright, so we got Tom Bischoff, rookie.
The lighting.
Lauren Ulrich. It's like my coach's name.
Is that not gonna help?
No, I think it will. Like, keep it doing. Oh yeah, that's gonna help.
Nice.
Wait, keep it doing. Yeah, that helps.
A little
Yeah.
bit. Little technical.
Oh yeah, baby, that's it. Oh hell yeah. Alright, and we got... Wait, is that the hit? No. Tom Kroll. And then the hit...
Oof.
Wait, where's the hit? Oh! Dominic Schloberschlei. Okay, so we didn't get a hit in that pack. That kind of sucks, but that's alright. Next pack.
Okay. We got this box. Ah! I mean,
It is a nice box.
it's a Bundesliga. One autograph. That's going to be really exciting. I wonder who it's going to be.
Yo, I think we got the autograph in
Come
this.
on.
Look. Sorry.
It's too close.
Okay.
Oh,
See that purple?
no. It's too quick.
Anyways,
It's too much.
we got
Bundesliga?
Kareem. Oh, Adeyemi. One of the fastest players in the world.
Jeez.
That Trapp? Yeah, it is Kevin Trapp. And for the last card. Wait, let's see if it's the auto. It's not the auto. Daniel Kofi Kyrich. Kyrich. Nice. Wait, is it numbered? It is numbered. It is numbered. 86 to 299. Boy, ow. I caught it with my leg.
PSA 8.
Probably even less. Did I? No, nothing. That's our best one so far. I'll take it.
How'd you know it was numbered?
It's a parallel, purple.
Okay.
Yeah, these aren't numbered.
Oh. The whole thing is purple.
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm like looking in the corner. I don't know.
What are you looking at?
Why purple like is special?
Yeah. Rookie numbered is pretty good. I hope.
I'm not fond of purple, actually.
Why do you hate purple? Makoto
Get
has
back
to
to you
be.
on that.
Arnold! Arnold. See Arnold? 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 Arnold's on the box.
Huh.
Arnold. Not even that good. I don't even know why he's on the box. Anyways.
Just this purple thing. I
Thomas-
can't really get past it.
Thomas Castellanos. Rookie.
Ah, Castellanos.
Yeah, you definitely... Do you guys see that green?
Behind there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might be a good auto if it's an auto. It is... Finn Ole Becker. Rookie. What's it number 2? 13 out of 99!
Wow. That's lucky. Huh.
Focus, please. Focus, please. You got... Wow, that's a nice one.
Here, let's get the focus. Cool. Oh, SAP. I've worked with that. Hey, man.
You have
Don't
not
get on the
worked with
sponsors.
SAP.
SAP. Yeah, it's a computer program.
Okay. Dude, okay, so far, pretty good.
Oh, no, you keep going.
Okay.
Sorry. Got excited. Are you opening all of them? Gee whiz. Are you?
I'm gonna keep this stack.
Oh, yeah, right. Okay.
I don't think we got a hit. Anyways, we got Patrick Osterhage.
Mm-hmm.
Oh! Yeah, baby! Jude Bellingham.
This is my excited face.
Dude, he's the best player you can get out of this.
Yeah?
Yeah, Jude Bellingham. It is numbered nothing to nothing. Nice. It's only a base, so if you get the Bellingham auto, I will. That's worth like $1,000. And I'm wearing the Real Madrid jersey where he plays right now. Rando Colomowani. And we have nothing, I don't think. We got wait, it's a parallel. It's something.
And what does parallel mean?
I don't know. Type of card. Anyway, so do you see the difference? See the rainbow and non-rainbow?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Huh.
Oh, I didn't even read the name. It's Arnie Mayer. Which is actually open next. This one.
Okay, and then this one. Oops.
What?
There. Okay. Okay. This one, I have no idea. Just like the last ones and the next ones.
Okay.
I think I'll know when I know, but...
Marco Fredel.
Oh my god. They're jumping.
Daniel Slow. Lucas Tushart. Too thick. Oh, Diaby. We got a Diaby.
It's about time.
Diaby is actually pretty good. He's also really fast.
I guess you have to be.
Diaby.
It's one of those sports.
When he played for
Guess any sport.
Leverkusen.
Oh, did I press play? Gotcha. Can't help it.
Okay. Oh no. Oh! I think we got the auto.
Ooh, I wanted to see.
Nico Schlotterbeck. He's actually pretty nice with the ball. Whoa, no. Wait. No. No.
We. Anyway, we get ya.
Luca Nets.
Speaking of. Who's next?
Patrick Schick. Oh, I like him. He's actually pretty good.
I don't need your shake.
Last one.
Congratulations.
Nelson Weeper. Wait, is it numbered? Numbered. 132 to 150. Auto.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah. Nelson Weeper rookie auto.
I'm impressed. I didn't know anything, but I'm impressed.
Yeah. Wow, that is a nice card.
Yeah. Oh, that doesn't show it well. Beauty. That is nice.
Wow.
Try now.
It's fine. Wow, that's a nice card right there. That's a nice one.
That is a nice card. That's actually one of the nicest cards I've seen. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, I'll take that as the
As a
hit.
Bundesliga. So that's the autograph. Can you get more than one autograph? Probably not. Yeah.
Jan Tehelman. Oh, we didn't see that. Vincent. These are just base cards. I don't know why I'm reading them.
Base.
Then we got the Maxim Lich. So far, the best card is probably this one. That's not the auto. Because, of course, the auto is the best one.
Well, at least you got it. Like,
Yeah.
That's kind of cool.
I'm getting like, oh, Jamal Musiala. Him. Whoa. What the? Airborne.
Huh.
Airborne. Wald. Oh, Anton. Okay, he's actually not bad.
Interesting. Airborne and what
Anton.
was the other one? Flash of Genius.
Yes. No. Screw it, I'm gonna open this too.
You gonna do the whole thing? Damn.
May as well. If there's anybody good, I'm gonna say their name. Joseph Makoko! I have his card, PSA 10.
Wow.
What, again?
Not cool.
No. In the same exact pack.
Oh, wow. Really not cool.
This one's good, this one's bad. No, this one's good, this one's bad. No, this one's good, this one's bad.
So many to go.
Worth it though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, the box. The entire box.
Yeah.
Nice cards.
Baku. Diaby. Arnie Mayer again. That's not even a rainbow. What? Is it?
It's nothing.
Nothing.
Psh. Not that box. It's a nice box.
Yep.
Oh. Congratulations.
What? No.
Did I press play?
I'm not falling for that again. Oh!
I'm not falling for that.
No, look, it's yellow.
Oh.
You see that yellow? Probably not. Stubbed my toe somehow while sitting.
Computer?
Yeah.
Aw.
Danny Olmo. Boom.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, Nicholas Sewell.
Airborne.
Airborne. You know what? I'm gonna save one pack. Which one should I save?
I was looking at
Yeah, I was looking at that too.
Oh, that's funny. One. Why?
Okay, if you were me, you wouldn't even save a pack.
No. I don't know.
Because it's fun to open.
Probably, I don't know. If I were you.
Oh, Yosef Makoko.
Again.
Again. A lot of Dortmund players.
Dormant?
Borussia Dortmund.
Oh.
Only 4 packs left. Which one should I open? I was looking at that too!
Ha! Oops. Just fell into his lap.
What if it's like another good one?
But it can't be.
Yes, I can. Yeah,
We'll see.
it can't be. It's not a good one.
Wow, can you imagine? So, how much would each of these packs cost? Like
$20.
$20
No,
a
I'm
pack.
joking. No, it's probably like $5 a pack, maybe like 4.
What?
Dawn!
Scare me! Look, this guy should be airborne. Yeah, that one.
Dad, I'm gonna let you open it.
Oh, my.
Never mind.
Oh, it's so warm in here.
Yeah, no, you're not opening another pack.
Yeah. Not the right state of mind. You know.
Oh!
I don't know. What does that mean?
I think it's another auto.
Another congratulations?
Mathis Delit. Since he went to Man U, he was really good. Now, I've never heard of him after.
It's funny, I was just talking about that.
Florian Neuhaus and
What? Scholar?
Bright Future.
Oh.
Eric Myrtle. I'll take it. Rookie.
Who you calling rookie? True. Just humble student in life, you know.
Hoffman? Kenny? Schmid. Wow. Silly Ozcan. And we're down to the last pack. Last pack. Please.
What a journey. Here today. 25 minutes. Pack upon pack. But it's not the last pack.
Okay, let's give the luck. Probably gonna be nothing. But we'll see. It's gonna be nothing. It might be.
So you get like one good thing in a whole box.
Oh, we got a lot. Wow. No, Dad, we got a lot of good things. Okay.
Last pack.
I think it actually.
Treasure.
Oh!
Get out.
Alfonso Davies! Base card. Canadian. He's Canadian. Best Canadian player ever.
Okay, we're keeping it Canadian. Canadian, you know. Not a bad thing.
Alright, I'm gonna do it like this because I think the last card's actually good. Joe Scally. And then, the last card. Oh. Bright future Vando Borges Sanchez.
Future's so bright. I can't. My eyes. Ah.
I'm gonna open the last pack.
You should. Yeah.
No, I'm joking. Should I or should I not?
Yes.
It's not gonna go up in value.
Dude, one pack.
Remember when I kept that Evolving Skies pack and then I opened it?
Ooh.
Do you know what's worth right now? Like $40 a pack.
Yeah.
I'm so mad.
It's only one pack. Sorry. You got better things. Go for it. Let's finish this. Bring it home. Speaking of Canada. Bring it home. Huh?
Wait, let's just go through the hits.
No.
Like, no. So
20 minutes.
Bright future. Bright future.
Not so bright.
Airborne.
Oh. That's like
Airborne. Numbered. Bright future. Flash off. So, 2, 2, 2, 3. And then we got the rest of these. That rhymed. 2, 2, 2, 3. Then we got the rest of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What's it gonna be?
So it's either gonna be like Airborne, Flash of Genius, or this. 'Cause I don't think I'm gonna get another numbered.
Flash of Genius.
Opened it.
Still don't get it. I guess they're like a smart player.
That is just a type of card.
Struggling. Numbered.
Thank you for getting me to open it. It's a numbered.
Woo!
It's a
Get
numbered.
out! I don't believe it.
Look.
Nah.
Look at that green. What does it remind you of?
Ah.
What is?
Used to work with that. Oh.
Look. All right.
See it. Oops.
Kevin Paredes. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this again. Hamda. And then, for the last card.
I'm scared. Who dat?
Manuel Riem. Numbered 46 to 275.
275.
Keeper.
Good for you. Wow. Nice. That was awesome. That's the opener. Anyway.
No way.
Hang tight. Bright future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Beauty.